Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today we're making a maternity tutu complete with the ribbon trim train. If you want to learn how to make this same look, keep watching. For this tutu you will need tulle on the roll, about 125 yards, satin ribbon, and a large crochet top. I'm also using a mannequin today. Now, in order to get a crochet top large enough for not just an adult, but a pregnant adult, what I did was I combined several crochet tops together. I just cut them open and I stitched them together. If you'd like to see more about how I did that, please leave a comment in the comment section below and I can do a separate video. Now, my mannequin is about a size 6'8", and this tutu is for size 9'10", so that's why I kind of clipped it on the side. So I'm going to start by cutting my tulle, and this tulle is going to be cut in layers for the tail. So the tail is going to be about 5 different lengths, and I will leave those lengths on my blog after this video. So I'm going to start by applying the longest pieces of tulle to the bottom area where I want the train to be. So after I apply the bottom row, this is what it looks like. And next is the second layer, the third layer. And when I'm applying this tulle, I am not folding it in half like I normally do. I'm applying one piece at a time, but I am making one end longer than the other. So I'm not folding it directly in half. And I'm applying the tulle one piece at a time in every other space until I have 5 rows in the back. Then you're going to separate out each row like this and begin sewing on your tulle just like you would a normal ribbon trim tutu. Except for you're going to start at the top with the shortest piece and then keep feeding in the pieces from shortest to longest until you get to the bottom of that row. It's really simple, but it's kind of tedious because making a tutu of this size is super big and it gets kind of heavy after a while. So this is what it looks like after I have on the pink and the blue. And when you first put it together, it's going to look kind of messy, especially because you're working with so much tulle and having to separate out the pieces. But this is how it comes together. And now we're going to go across the front of the tutu, adding tulle just like we normally do. And I'm starting off by applying 3 pieces at a time. Now you might be wondering, why did I leave the crochet band so wide? And there's a couple reasons. One, when you're using a crochet band with adults, it tends to roll up and get under your clothes. This mannequin doesn't have any curves or any skin or anything that could cause the tulle to bunch up, but when an adult is wearing it, whether you're wearing it over sweatpants or over jeans or whatever, it can get really bunched up in there. And so I like to leave a little bit extra, especially for a pregnant mom. So if I was making this for a mom that didn't have a tummy, I wouldn't leave this much crochet top. But because this mom has a tummy, I am leaving a little extra, and she can choose to fold it down or leave it all the way out if she wants to. She can wear it however she likes. So after I applied the 3 pieces at a time all the way across, I went back in and I applied the tulle 1 piece at a time across the top, and I skipped a couple rows and added it just so that the tutu lined up with the train better. And here is the finished look. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Have you ever made a maternity tutu? Let me know what you want to see in the next Tutu Tuesday. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button and the notification button so you can be notified of the next tutorial. Thanks for watching. Bye.